Hello students, boards are around the corner. So I know exam fear is in your mind. इसलिए आज हम कवर करेंगे area related to circles. So here is a one short video to clear your concepts. Let's start. So here as you all know that this portion is area of circle. But out of this portion, now it comes that this is minor sector. But what does it mean? It means the area enclosed between the two radii and the corresponding arc. So this is minor sector. And now the major sector is the area enclosed between the two radii and the major arc. So this area is major sector. So now how to find the formula of area of minor sector? As you all know, the area of circle is pi r square. So now we need to find that for this sector, that is for this sector, what is the corresponding angle. So here the corresponding angle is theta, and this theta is out of the whole 360 degree. So theta upon 360 into pi r square will be the area of sector. So area of minor sector, that is this AOB, is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Just it's not tough, just we should be knowing that this sector is covering what portion of the whole circle, that is theta upon 360. The area of whole circle is pi r square. So this portion is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now to find the area of major sector, so this is the area of major sector. Since to find the area of minor sector we required the corresponding angle. So that is out of, for the whole 360, the corresponding angle was theta to find the area of minor sector. To find the area of major sector, we should be knowing the corresponding angle, that is, if this is theta, then this corresponding angle will be 360 minus theta. So this angle is 360 minus theta. So to find the area of major sector, in place of this theta, we are going to write 360 minus theta, and the formula remains the same, just theta changes. See it. So area of major sector is 360 minus theta upon 360 into pi r square. And the other way to find the area of major sector is, as we already found what is area of minor sector, so from the area of the whole circle, we will subtract the area of minor sector. Then we get the area of major sector. So area of circle is pi r square, and area of minor sector, which we have already found here, that is theta upon 360 into pi r square. So from pi r square, if we subtract area of minor sector, we get the area of major sector. Okay, I hope this concept is clear to all of you. So now let's move to the length of arc. So AB is the length of arc. To find the length of arc, you should be knowing what is the circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. This you all know. That is this whole. This whole is circumference of a circle. So from this whole to, as we found the area of minor sector, to find the area of minor sector, what we did, this angle is which portion of the whole? That is theta upon 360 into pi r square. In the same way, to find the length of the arc, we should be knowing that the corresponding angle of this length of the arc is theta, and this theta of the whole, that is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. So this will be your length of minor arc. Theta upon 360 into 2 pi r is the length of minor arc. To find the length of major arc, what we are going to do? Just the formula remains the same, only this theta will change. Because if this is for this minor arc, if this corresponding angle is theta, then for this major arc, the theta will be, the angle will be 360 minus theta. From the whole, we will subtract this angle, that is 360 minus theta. So to find the length of the major arc, the formula will be 360 minus theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. So this is the way to find the length of major arc. Just see it. Just here, the difference between this minor and major arc is, here the formula remains the same, only the theta changes, the angle changes. Here for minor arc the angle is theta, and for the major arc the angle is 360 minus theta. So the other way of finding the formula of length of major arc is, as we already found the length of minor arc, so with the help of this and the circumference of a circle, you can find the length of major arc. Since you all know that circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, and from this if I subtract length of minor arc, then we get the length of major arc. So to find the length of major arc, we can find circumference of a circle, and from that we will subtract length of minor arc. So this is the way we get length of major arc. Let's move to the other slide. I hope you all understood what is sector and what is length of arc. Now it comes the segment. So now when it comes for segment, is all linked with the chord and the corresponding arc. So the area enclosed between the chord and the corresponding arc is called segment. So again, since the circle is divided into two parts by this chord, so this segment is called minor segment, and this segment is called the major segment. So now how to find the area of minor segment? See it. If I join this A to O and O to B, you all know that the area enclosed between the two radii and the corresponding arc is the area of sector. From this area of sector, if I subtract this area of triangle, this portion, that is AOB. Then we are left with the area of minor segment. Just see it how. From the area of sector, I am repeating again, from this area of sector, if I subtract this area of triangle, we will get area of minor segment. So here we have labeled the area of minor segment as APB, this segment. So area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle AOB, we get area of minor segment. Now it comes how to find the area of major segment. To find the area of major segment, there are two ways. First, you find the area of circle. From this area of circle, if you subtract area of minor segment, you get the area of major segment. So area of circle, you all know, which is pi r square, and from this you are going to subtract the area of minor segment to get the area of major segment. As in the previous one, I just made you write this formula. Area of minor segment is area of sector minus area of triangle. This formula you all know. That is area of sector, you all know, that is theta upon 360 into pi r square. But how we are going to find the area of this triangle? This is you all should know. To find the area of triangle, this I have explained in the next slide. Just see it. Now to find the area of this triangle, we should be knowing the theta here, that is angle. So the angle of triangle AOB we should be knowing. So area of triangle OAB, please you learn this formula. It is half sine theta into r square. This trigonometric, you have just studied about the trigonometric ratios in the chapter trigonometric introduction to trigonometry. So from there you should be knowing the measurement, the ratio of all the trigonometric function. So here half into sine theta into r square. So this is the formula to find area of triangle. Half into sine theta into r square. The other formula is also there. This is not that much required to learn, but still you should be knowing it. The other formula is r square sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. If theta is here, if theta is 120, so theta by 2 will become 60. Theta by 2 will become 60. That is 120 upon 2 is 60 degree. 120 upon 2 is 60 degree. So you are going to write r square sine 60 into cos 60. Don't worry, still I am explaining. Don't get confused. It's just the beginning. See it now. I will explain now according to the changes in the theta. If theta here is 30 degree, how you are going to find the area of triangle? Just see it. So let me explain, then I will show. If theta is 30, if theta is 30 and if we use this formula, half into r square into, in place of theta we will write sine 30. So you all know the trigonometric ratio, sine 30 is equal to half. So in place of sine 30 we will write half, that is half into r square into half, that is 1 upon 4 r square. So when theta is 30, In that case, area of triangle AOB will be equal to 1 upon 4 r square. Now, if theta is 45 degree, see this first. Hope this is clear to all of you. If theta is 30, then in place of sine 30 we have mentioned half. So it is half into half is 1 upon 4 and this is r square. So when theta is 30, in that case area of triangle will be 1 upon 4 r square. So now if theta is 45 degree, then in place of this sine 30 we will write sine 45 degree. So we all know that sine 45 is, I am mentioning this, half into r square, and sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. So when we solve it, we get 1 upon 2 root 2 into r square. So when theta is 45 degree, in that case the area of triangle will be 1 upon 2 root 2 into r square. See. And theta is 45 degree, and we all know sine 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. When you solve it, you get 1 upon 2 root 2 into r square. So this is the area of triangle. So area of triangle OAB will be 1 upon 2 root 2 into r square. Now if theta is 60 degree, in that case, in place of this 45, I am going to write 60. So half into r square, and we all know sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So it will be root 3, 2 into 2 is 4 into r square. So it is root 3 upon 4 r square. Hope this is clear to all of you. See it. In place of sine 60, we have mentioned root 3 upon 2, and when we solve it, we get root 3 upon 4 r square. If theta is 90, in that case, in place of sine theta, you will write sine 90. That is half into r square into sine 90. As we all know, it is equal to 1. So the formula, when we solve it, we get half r square. Hope this is clear to all of you. Now just see, if theta is 120. If theta is 120, and as you all know that as in 10th, you have not studied about what sine 120 is equal to. As you are not aware of what sine 120 degree is equal to, so what you are going to do? For that case, we are going to use this formula. But yeah, here for the board classes, theta can't exceed more than 90 degree. So 120 degree is deleted. So this will not come in the board exam, but still, just for your awareness, you should know that when theta is 120, then we are going to use this formula, that is r square, in place of sine theta by 2. Since theta is 120, so 120 by 2 will become sine 60, and cos again theta by 2, that is 120 by 2 will become cos 60. Now put the values. So it is r square, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and cos 60 you all know that is half. Solve it. It is root 3 by 4 into r square, which is root 3 upon 4 r square. See it. Hope this concept is clear to all of you. So again, as I'm saying, to find the area of the segment, we are going to use a formula area of sector minus area of corresponding triangle. Area of sector minus area of triangle, you get the area of segment. So this is the way we are going to find the area of segment. Okay, so the important topic now. One question based on this topic, most probably it will come. Just see it is all linked with the clock, the minute hand and the hour hand. So to understand about this, you should be knowing, if I say that the needle is here, so if it moves from this 12, rotates and comes back to this 12, how much degree it covers? So it covers 360 degree. So we all know that there are 360 degree in one complete revolution of a circle. This you all are aware of. So the same way, now when I take about the minute hand, so if I say that minute hand from this point 12 moves and comes till 1. So we all know that from 12 to 1 the minute hand covers 5 minutes. From 12 to 2 it covers, from here to here it covers 10 minutes. This you all are aware of. So in the same way, when the minute hand does a complete revolution and it comes back after a complete revolution, it comes back to 12, so it covers 60 minutes. In one revolution the minute hand covers 60 minutes. See it. So one complete revolution, the minute hand covers 60 minutes. So now the main matter is, so how much degree it has covered. So as you all know that in one complete revolution it is 360 degree is covered here. So minute hand covers 360 degree in 60 minutes. See it. So in 60 minutes the minute hand covers 360 degree. Then in 1 minute it covers 360 degree upon 60, we get 6 degree. For better understanding, just see it. If in 60 minutes it covers 360 degree. If I make this 360 as 1 minute, so what I will do, I will shift this 360 to this side, so it becomes 360 upon 60, which is equal to 6 degree. Can you see it gets cancelled? So we get 6 degree. So in 1 minute the minute hand covers 6 degree. Now the question comes, when you know for 1 minute, so now if you say that in 2 minutes how much degree the minute hand covers, that is 2 into 6 degree, that is 12 degree. In 10 minutes how much degree it covers, 10 into 6 degree, that is 60 degree. Now it comes, just see it here, for 1 minute it covers 6 degree, and in 5 minutes how much it will cover, in 5 minutes it will cover 5 into 6 degree, that is 30 degree. Hope this is clear to all of you. अब हम आते हैं आर हैंड पे. For R hand you should be knowing that if the R hand from here it comes to here, how much R it has covered? It has covered, from here to here it has covered 1 hour. From 12 to 2 if it comes, then from here to here it covers 2 hours. In the same way, if the R hand moves and comes back to 12, then how many hours it has covered? It has covered 12 hours. Just see it here. One complete revolution, the R hand covers 12 hours. Now it comes, कितना डिग्री कवर किया आर हैंड ने एक कंप्लीट रेवोल्यूशन में? आर हैंड ने 360 डिग्री कवर किया इन कंप्लीट रेवोल्यूशन, दैट इज इन 12 आवर्स. 12 आवर्स में आर हैंड ने 360 डिग्री कवर किया. तो 1 आवर में कितना कवर किया? शिफ्ट दिस 12 दिस साइड, तो ये हुआ 360 अपॉन 12, दैट इज 30 डिग्री. तो 1 आवर में मिनट हैंड ने कवर किया 30 डिग्री. अब आता है कि 2 आवर्स में मिनट हैंड ने कितना कवर किया? दैट इज 2 इंटू 30 डिग्री, दैट इज 60 डिग्री. इन 5 आवर्स आर हैंड ने कितना डिग्री कवर किया? 5 इंटू 30, दैट इज 150 डिग्री. सो ऐसे सम्स जब आएंगे तो अब आपसे यही पूछा जाएगा कि मिनट हैंड ने जब ये 1 o'clock से मिनट हैंड ने, मैं फिर एक मिनट फिर समझाती हूँ, 1 o'clock से 1 PM से 1:15 PM तक मिनट हैंड ने कितना एरिया स्वेप्ट किया? तो उसके लिए आपको चाहिए होगा 1 PM से लेके 1:15 PM तक कितना मिनट्स मिनट हैंड ने मूव किया है? 15 मिनट्स. तो आपको एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर फाइंड करने के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? थीटा. आप सबको फॉर्मूला मालूम है, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर इज थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो अब मिनट हैंड ने कितना एरिया स्वेप्ट किया पता लगाने के लिए आपको थीटा चाहिए. वो थीटा के लिए आपको ये चाहिए कि मिनट हैंड ने कितना मिनट्स कवर किया, कितना मिनट्स मूव किया. तो वो है 15 मिनट्स. तो 15 मिनट्स में मिनट हैंड ने कितना डिग्री कवर किया? 90 डिग्री. तो यहाँ थीटा की जगह आप क्या लिखेंगे? 90 अपॉन 360 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर. अभी मैं यहाँ यहीं पे एंड करती हूँ. अगले सेशन में मैं आपके लिए लाऊंगी इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन दिस टॉपिक एंड हाउ टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर एंड एरिया ऑफ segment. So let's end the meeting here. Good day.